Hi everyone! In this video we'll see how to connect Oracle with vscode. First, we need to connect to our Oracle database. You can connect either to your container database or a pluggable database. I'm gonna connect to my PDB test database. Now, if I check the current user in my database, as you can see, I am logging to my PDB test database as a user HR. The reason I did this because we need this info later to create a new connection with VS Code. Now you can launch your VS Code. Now if you have the welcome page as mine, you can remove it and make sure your device is connected to the internet. Now to activate the marketplace portal, click to the extensions icon from the left panel. Now in the search bar, you can type Oracle Developer Tools for VS Code. As you can see, the Oracle Developer Tools for VS Code is depreciated, so we're gonna use the second option that says Oracle SQL Developer extension for VS Code. Click Install and wait until the installation finish. The database icon will appear to the left panel of your screen. Now when you see this icon, click on it to activate the Create Connection window. Now you can give name to your connection. You can leave the authentication type. As you can see, it's grayed out. But under role, you can use sysdba role if you have used a user sys to log into your database. If you have used a regular user as mine, then you can leave it the default as is. For username and password, you need to use the same user and password you have used to log into your database. You can save the login info if you want to. Under connection type, you can use basic. Under details, you can use localhost for the host name if you are connected to the same machine. But if you are connected to the remote machine, then use the IP address of the remote machine you are connected. Under port, the port number should be the default one, 1521, unless you have changed it to a different port number during the Oracle installation. Type, you can use service name, and the service name is your database name. Now click Test to check if the connection info was correct. If the test connection was successful, then click Connect. As you can see, the connection has created successfully. Now to activate the SQL worksheet window, right-click on the icon and click Open SQL Worksheet. Now, as you can see, this is your working window. Thank you for watching.